The 815 heater core backflush tool with air assist was designed to unclog heater cores by utilizing air or water pressure. Make sure to drain all antifreeze or coolant before removing heater hoses. Locate heater core inlet and outlet hoses on firewall. Refer to vehicle specs to determine outlet heater hose. Connect tool to outlet hose and remove inlet hose and place in drain bucket. Attach tool to hose. Attach tool to heater hose using hose clamp to secure. Use screwdriver to secure hose clamp. Attach air supply to tool. Turn hot water on. Depress handle for water flow. Water flow should be clean and clear. If hose is clogged, alternate air and water until clog is removed. Do not hold down air button for longer than 2 seconds. Do not apply air and water pressure simultaneously. When finished, remove air hose, turn off water source, remove heater hose from tool, drain excess water, and remove tool from hose.